Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Do you like crypto trading? Do you like crypto day trading? Then you will definitely like this project because we will be talking about Ocean Protocol, a data-driven protocol. We will dive deep into it in a minute, but first of all, this video is only
for educational purposes and it's not a financial advice.
Without any further ado, let's just get into it. Well guys, here we are on the platform, Ocean Protocol. Let's have a look first at the interface and the website over here. You'll find that the platform is very clean, very simple, and very efficient and effective. As you can see, beautifully laid out. Everything is very interactive. It's simple, minimalistic, and every information you might need or you might be looking for is well organized. So going back here to the starting page or the top of the page, you will find that learning here. That's kind of the main topic here. Data, NFTs, and data tokens. Now, let's have a look at what's going on here on ramp and off ramp for data assets into DeFi. Ocean makes it easy to publish data services, deploy ERC-721 data NFTs and ERC-20 data tokens, and to consume data services, meaning that all the data related exchanges, it's all data. It's a data packed program or a data packed project. So it's all about gathering data for NFTs or data NFTs and data tokens. So I don't know if you heard that before. There is a term called big data. Big data actually might seem a bit funny for many people, but actually data is the core foundation for anything right now. It's for your advertisement, it's for your project, it's for enhancing your business. I mean, data is just a crucial part of every day-to-day businesses right now, and of course for cryptocurrencies or for the crypto space is just a crucial part. So data NFTs and data tokens are the interface to connect data assets with the blockchain and DeFi tools. So that's a mean of transforming data and transferring data from one project to another, and the crypto wallets become data wallets, crypto exchanges become data marketplace, and DAOs for data co-ops, and more via DeFi composability and data Legos. So a lot of data is over here. I know it might be a bit tricky to fathom or understand the whole concept of this data major project, but simply speaking and in a very brief nutshell, it's a data-driven project, meaning that data, as I said here, it's the interface between projects, and you will need to transfer and gain data in an easy and effective and sufficient way. So that's what this project facilitates for tokens and also for NFTs. Of course, data NFTs and data token resources here are quite open, and you can have a look at the documentation and the Ocean market, and you can actually buy and sell on the Ocean market. So let's click here and see what's going on. You will find that you can buy data farming Ocean marketplace, data scanner, and you can have all these data driven publishers or the data seekers. You can also have them over here, and you can filter DeFi, order book, FDT, ODC, bounty. You can have it by health, data farming, financial, Gitcoin, whatever you want. It's one place to gain all the data or to connect your wallet over here up there, and you can just get interactive once you need or once you just request anything in a very efficient and a very nice way. Here also, that's the documentation, that's the resources and links to how to build with data tokens. Of course, if you wish to have a look at that, you can dig deep into that and just look at the documentation yourself. But let's just jump into another important aspect here, the marketplaces themselves. Here you can find that Ocean is acting as an interface between the data publishers and the data consumers. I'm telling you, data is needed and data is also published from projects. So Ocean here is the interface or the middleman or the middle project between such projects, and you can find that it's actually connecting many players in the market and putting them in a key concise way and in a very efficient way to build and launch as well. So you can start building your own data market with Ocean. So you can check that as well, and you can also have a look at the data market. You can see that you're getting again to the same place, so you can have the easy and intelligent interface, and you can filter out everything in a very efficient way, and you can get the data or sell the data you want or publish the data you want through Ocean. So going back up again and seeing what's going on here, compute to data. Buy and sell private data while preserving privacy. You know, the data issues and the privacy issues have, there's been quite a debate for quite some time. Compute to data resolves the trade-off between benefits of using private data, and exposing it might get you into legal troubles, of course, because that's a consent. Everything needs a consent. And let's say the data stay on premises and yet allows 3D parties to run specific compute jobs on it to get useful compute results like averaging or building an AI model. Of course, AI models use a lot of data, like a lot of data. I don't want to use any different words here, but that huge and gigantic amount of data needs organization and needs to be filtered out and needs to be organized in a very specific way. And the most valuable data, of course, is private data. So that's quite tricky to handle over here, but using it can improve research and business outcome, but concerns over privacy and control make it hard to access as well. So here they are tackling this problem with a very intelligent way that you can do it actually on the spot. You don't have to propagate all the data or all the sensitive or private data out there. So here you can have a look at how it works if you wish to use such a thing. Of course, everything is linked down below in the description, and data owners approve AI algorithms to run their own data, and compute to data orchestrates more remote computation and execution data to train the AI models while preserving the privacy of these data. I have said a lot of data so far, but it's a data driven project. So if you're interested or if you're looking for data, then that's the project for you. Going back here to roadmaps and papers, of course, you can have a look at the roadmap. You can see how the development will go, how the marketplace will perform. The seed distribution actually started in 2017, and then the white papers 2018. A pre-launch was made in 2018, and as you can see, it's a very old kind of establishment and foundation that gives it some credibility, and that give you the peace of mind that actually this project has been developing over years and years and years, nearly 6 years now. So things are looking very well established right now, and it speaks for itself. Everything is just well organized, and it's a data driven once more. So here there's also an interesting part I want to highlight, which is Ocean Academy. Ocean Academy, what's that? Briefly here, learn how to monetize data using blockchain technology, and the good thing is it's for free. You can learn how to start from zero using the Ocean protocol, and it's for free. You can get started over here and you can start your journey. Of course, that's an academy to gain information, gain data, of course, but for you, you can use it in a very useful way to get yourself more informed and more involved in such a concept. So going back here to the website, you will find that the community is growing, and also you will find that they have get funding, or that you can apply actually for getting funding, and you can build with them. Once you need to build data markets, you can manage the ERC-721 data, and you can also do the ERC-20 data assets. So here they have the Ocean token here. That's their own native token. Of course, you can have a look at it here, and you will find that the performance, of course, reflecting the whole entire market. So don't be surprised that we're currently in a bearish move over here, but the whole cryptocurrency market, of course, if you even have a remote interest in the cryptocurrency space, you know that things have been quite tricky over the last year or so. But generally speaking, they also have their own tokenomics, and you can get it and store it, and you can also benefit from it. It has utility, and you can also get your contract address, and everything is well defined over here. Of course, you can stake it, you can do it for exchanges, and currently it's capped to 1.41 billion tokens, and 51 of these supply is distributed according to Bitcoin like schedule over decades. So it's a very long way, and of course the price will keep appreciating, and you can have a look here in details. But generally speaking, you can find them on Binance, Kraken, Bittrex, and Uniswap, Gate.io. Big names in the market, Crypto.com. The major players in the market, you can easily find them over there. Phoenix as well. So it's a well-established token, and it's a well-established coin. Of course, you can rely on that, and you can also have a look yourself at what's going on in this regard. Before we end this video, let's have a look at Twitter. Actually, Twitter is a good indicator for everyone how the community is going, and it's growing very well. It's 163 0.1 thousand followers. And of course, once you scroll here, you will find that people are quite interactive. People are helping each other. People are answering questions. So whenever you have any question in mind, whenever you just want to gain any information, you can just reach out for the community through their social links down there, and you can get the satisfactory answers you want. And you can also get in touch with people and get into discussion how things are working in this very interesting data-driven project. So guys, in a nutshell, we talked about Ocean Protocol and all the advantages that you might expect once using this project. So I would say, or I would encourage you to have a look also at the Academy. Everything is linked down below. So it's for free. You can have a look at it, and the more information you have, the better decisions, of course, you will make. As usual, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, leave any comments you might have in the community section down below or the comments down below. And till next one, bye-bye.